In this video, we are going to look at the derivation of heat transfer through hollow cylinder. Let's say we have a cylinder whose inner radius is R1 and the outer radius is R2. The temperature of inner surface is T1 and the temperature of the outer surface is T2, and we have assumed that T1 is greater than T2. It means heat transfer takes place from inner surface to the outer surface. Let's take an element at distance r whose thickness is dr. Now apply Fourier's law of heat conduction. Fourier's law of heat conduction. Fourier's law of heat conduction tells heat transfer in radial direction equals minus k dt by dr. Take this dr this side, qr dr equals minus k dt. Integrate both sides. Write this qr as capital Q divided by a. What is a? A of this element is 2 pi r L. And what is L? L is the length of the cylinder, isn't it? Write this QR as capital Q divided by 2 pi RL dr equal to minus K. K is constant for given material, dt. Now apply limits on both sides. At r is equals to r1, t we have t is equals to t1, and at r is equals to r2, t is equals to t2. Simple. Take this part out, q by 2 pi L dr divided by r from r1 to r2 equal to minus k t2 minus t1. Now we get q by 2 pi L ln r limit from r1 to r2 equal to minus k t2 minus t1. We have this q by 2 pi L ln r2 divided by r1 equal to k t1 minus t2. Simple. Now we get the value of q is t1 minus t2 divided by 1 upon 2 pi kl ln r2 divided by r1. Thank you.